Good morning, everyone. It's a truly beautiful day to be out here in South Dakota. There is nothing like starting a new workday with such an incredible view of the frozen lake right outside the window. I'm back inside this home to continue the ceiling renovation. I've already removed the old popcorn texture and applied the first coat of plaster. Now I need to sand everything down carefully to ensure a perfectly level surface before we decide on the final finish. Quality preparation is the most important part of any high-end remodel. At EverBuild Construction, we focus on every detail to deliver the best results for our clients. Stay tuned to see how this ceiling turns out.